kind of people are we dealing with here? A set of perps with a very unusual skill set. Utah, I need a theory.
So why not deploy your chute above the jungle and escape like a normal person?
Because I'm thinking these aren't normal people, sir.
I believe that, like me, the people behind these robberies are extreme athletes, using their skills to disrupt the international financial markets. And they don't care who gets killed in the process. They call me Bodie.
There's a few $1 billion of gold down there.
You're gonna steal it?
No, we're going to liberate it.
Oh, you think you're brothers? Now you show me whose side you're on. Criminal masterminds. They're just kids partying away their lives.
We can get these guys. I just need more time. Bodie, do you have any idea how many people you've killed? How many laws you've broken?
The only law that matters is gravity.